Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So today I'll be going ahead and quickly sharing with you my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. Since Nykaa had their hot pink sale, I wanted to go ahead and quickly purchase or restock those things that I use on a regular basis. This is what I have. This is the Nykaa parcel that arrived. So I'll be going ahead and quickly sharing with you all the things that I got from this Nykaa hot pink sale. If you are new to my channel, then please go ahead and take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I'll just go ahead and quickly show you all of my repurchases that I have done so that we can move on with the new purchases. So the first product has to be this one right here. This is the Garnier Micellar Water, and if you have been on my channel, you might have seen this product. I have ran out of bottles of this. It is that good. I'll just go ahead and mention you the sale prices. At what price did I actually buy it? This is a 400 ml bottle. Actual price is $349, but I got it for $209, which is a steal. So I always make sure that I go ahead and keep backups of this particular product so that I don't have to go ahead and spend $349 when I can get something like this in just 200 or 209 rupees. So I do save some money over there and I can go ahead and spend that money on something else. So yes, that is the reason why I love sales. When there are sales, I will try and restock on things that I need on a regular basis. The next product is again this one right here, and if you know, then you might have seen this on my channel. This is the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and I have this is the third tub that I have repurchased, and I absolutely love this. This even takes off your waterproof mascara. It is that good. So yes, that is what I repurchased, and again this was for $545, but I got it for $409 rupees. The next product that I repurchased is this one right here. This is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc, and yes, again, if you have been on my channel, you might have seen this multiple times in my skincare related videos. So I personally love this product and I always go ahead and use this in my nighttime skincare routine. So I had to go ahead and get backup of this particular product as well. It's for $5.99, but I got this for $5.69, which is like you do save some penny right there. The next product that I repurchased is this one right here. This is the Neutrogena Sunblock SPF 50 plus, and this is in the smaller tube that I repurchased so that I can go ahead and slip this in the bag easily. I do have a bigger version of this product right here. This is the 88 ml product, and this one is a 30 ml product. This was priced at $250, but I got it for $188 rupees. Since we are done with all of my repurchases and restocks, let's move on to some of the new makeup that I have got or new purchases that I have done. So the first one has to be this one right here. This is the Color Bar Malibu Sunset Body Lotion, and let me tell you that this straight up smells like caramel. It is so sweet, and so the fragrance is very sweet, and I am not towards sweet fragrances too much. I just wanted to go ahead and get a good lotion for my body, so I went ahead and I purchased this one. Again, this was priced at $345 and I got it for $242. And since we are on the fragrance category, I also went ahead and I got these things right here. This is the Moi by Nykaa perfumes, and these are the mini versions. The reason why I got this is because I did see Shreya Jain mention this in her perfume collection video, or perfumes under something, I don't remember now, but yes, that is where I saw this perfumes. And the reason why I got this is because this particular mini perfumes come in the spray form. These don't have roll-ons. I have perfumes, I have the mini perfumes from Zara which do have roll-on over them, but I personally don't love roll-on, and I kind of feel like this is such a chic packaging that you see right here. It has this gold pump kind of a thing. I personally love this fragrance. This is the Masaba by Nykaa Wild For You perfume. The Masaba by Nykaa collection is a little expensive. Not expensive, but it is a little higher than the Moi by Nykaa mini pocket perfumes. So this one is for $2.99, but I got this for 224 rupees. And these two are for $2.49 each, but I got it for $1.99 each. And there is just one new skincare product that I got, but it's not new for me because I have used this in the past. It has to be this one right here. It is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and it comes in this jar situation. I actually really wanted to go ahead and get my hands on this particular mask from a very long time, but it was not always on sale. Price of this is $1,100, but I got it for $770, and that is the reason why I went ahead and I grabbed it, because I was eyeing on this particular product for a very long time, ever since I finished the other jar that I had of this particular mask. Now there are just 4 more products left, which are completely makeup related products, and out of which 3 of them are lip products. First one has to be this one right here. This is the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips, and this is in the shade called Bobby Brown. And I personally love Miss Claire lip liners. They are quite affordable and good quality. This one was priced at 65 rupees, and I got this just for 59 rupees. Okay, the next product has to be this one right here. This is the In Color Liquid Suede Cream Lip Gloss, and the packaging of this particular lipsticks is similar to the NYX lipsticks, the Suede lipstick collection that they have in the shade called LSCL05. I will go ahead and list it down below in the description box for you. Again, this is quite inexpensive. The price of this, the actual price of this is $2.95, and I got this for $2.21. There is one more lipstick that I got, and it has to be this one right here. This is the My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I really wanted to try out some of the My Glam products, but this time I just went ahead and I called for this particular lipstick, and this is in this shade called DM Slide. I personally love the packaging of this particular lipstick. It is so sleek and so chic. It has this golden detailing right here, which is something that attracted me. Again, this was priced at $3.95, but I got this for 277 rupees. The last and the final product has to be this one right here. This is the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Mascara Extreme Black, and this is how the packaging looks like. It has a really huge wand, as you can see. It is not a waterproof mascara, and also I personally love using waterproof mascaras. That is the reason why I stick to my Maybelline's waterproof mascaras, but I just wanted to go ahead and try this out. And again, this was on sale, and that is the reason why I went ahead and I purchased it, so that I can go ahead and try it out. And that is what I have on my lashes. This is the mascara that I have on my lashes, if you can see. Again, this is priced at $3.99, but I got it for just 200 rupees. And also, since I did all of these purchases, I even got this for free. This is the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal, which is waterproof, smudge proof, intense black, and this is priced at 170 rupees, but I got this for free. So that is all I have for you today in this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like this video, then please go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.